Want to know how to identify which aluminum fence style is suitable for your Charleston property? Without struggling with neighbor's dog entering your property and coyotes or other animals entering the property during night? Question. When it comes to Charleston, South Carolina fencing contractor, what do you think is the biggest challenge folks have? One of the biggest challenges people have with fencing contractor is finding a reliable fence contractor in Charleston, South Carolina who is fast and does a good quality work. Why is this such a challenge? It's because so many people make the big mistake of using pushy methods and tactics that ruin their chance of getting the fence job and winning the job with potential customer. It is important to you because you want to find a reliable fence contractor in Charleston, South Carolina to hire for your fence installation needs. If you are the type of person looking to hire a reliable fence contractor in Charleston, South Carolina for installing fence at an affordable cost, it is all about to get easier. Now you understand some of the top Charleston fencing contractor tips. Use this to help you end the struggle with neighbor's dog entering your property and coyotes or other animals entering the property during night. So you can now be better able to know who to contact for aluminum fence installation in Charleston, South Carolina. Want more Charleston fencing contractor help? Want a free fence installation quote? Call Charleston-Fence-Works at 843-595-8276.